What's up, everybody? It's Nick the Piker. I'm back finally for another episode. It's been really busy being an AC guy when it's 90 starting in May, so I haven't had a whole lot of time to fish. But today, fishing one of my favorite places, Des Plaines River. Finally, of course I would like to catch pike. It's been kind of hot, so they may be slow, may not see any pike, but at least I could catch some bass. So stick with me, stay tuned, like and subscribe if you haven't already, and let's get them. All right, so today I'm gonna be using this big old ugly jointed lure for pike. This time of year they like to eat frogs, so this kind of looks like a frog to them. I think that's why they like it. I've tried throwing regular topwater frogs here as well. They work, but sometimes you get down to depth with one of these and they just can't help themselves, so hopefully that works. And then I'm just gonna throw whatever is on here, which is pre-rigged worm lure with white spots, dark purple. So let's see what happens. Anything over by that brush, anything. Come on. Nope. What about by them little weeds? The weed patch, maybe? You just gotta locate them. That's all. I would think there's a fish sitting by those weeds. I could be wrong though. May have to venture deeper in to the woods today to get to where people haven't been fishing. I think this spot has been fished quite some bit. So let's see. I'm gonna move down a little bit. I'll be back. All right, I'm gonna try throwing this thing. I've never thrown it here before. But it's jointed, so I always give new jointed lures a try because I like to fish pike with them. They seem to like them. And pike are pretty greedy. So if they see this thing, oh, if it doesn't float, it ain't gonna work for me. It doesn't really float, that's not good. This thing ain't really gonna work. I'm gonna lose it, unfortunately. That's all right. I'll switch up to something else. The water feels pretty cool. It's cooler than the air, so that's good. I'm gonna have to switch this up. I'll just fish for bass with my bass rod for now. See if I can't come up with something. See if there's something alive in this river. The water is so clear that I'm gonna see if anything grabs it. It's gonna be pretty fun. There's bluegill following it. I may have to switch this up as well. I'll give this a few more casts, but I think I'm changing it up. It is really hot today too, so this is the slow part of the day. Does not mean I won't have success though. See what the cracking crowd does for me here. I don't think anybody's been fishing over here. I feel like I'm the first one in a while. We'll see. There should be fishies here. Water is a little more stained here too. I don't know if that's gonna be good or bad, but we'll find out. Oh, there we go, finally. Nothing big, but This tells me right here that nobody's been fishing over here, because I threw to the first spot and little bass. Here we are. Nothing special, but it's a good start. Alright, a little plump bass, fish number 1. Hopefully we can do better than that. It's a good start though. It gives me hope. It gives me hope that there's fish here. Where's your... Oh man. He ate... Well, he ate all the legs off that thing. So much for that. The lure works good, but you catch a fish on it and it's done. I guess that's secretly genius. Oh, deer running behind me. I heard something. And he was running behind me. It's all right, buddy. All right, finally. I knew there was fish here. Just gotta find a spot that hasn't been fished to death. This lure should hold up a little better. I'll have to put something else on that other rod, but I'm gonna fish this for now. Oh, did I really just set the hook into a... Oh no, I got a fish. But there's a tree branch right there. What is it? Oh, it's a pike. Oh no, it's a big bass and I got him loose. Unreal. I knew there was fish over here. No, 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 don't go under that tree. Come on. Oh, it's a nice one, folks. I'm not even gonna be able to lift this thing out of the water. Oh, poke flip. No, it's not gonna work. He's too big. He's barely hooked too. I gotta try and get him over here through the tree branches. I thought I was snagged. Oh, come on. Yes. That's more like it, folks. That's more like it. Oh, yeah. Ah. He's a feisty sucker. Oh, yes. All right. Finally back on the map. Pre-rigged worm lure strikes again. I'd say that's close to 3 pounds. It's a nice fish, folks. Ha, that made it all worth it. There she goes. That was awesome. Let's do it again. I'm gonna try this spot once more before I leave. This is the last spot I caught a fish. I got some different stuff on now, so maybe I can get them. I hooked one and lost one here. Maybe I can get them on this. It'd be nice. Got the bluegill dancing. Oh, look at that. As soon as it hit the water, a little guy. He's a little guy, but hey, it's a fish. As soon as it hit the water, it's tiny. It's all right. It got me some action. Look at that baby. I think I'm done. I think that's it. I think I've had it. Well, folks, that concludes my video. Wasn't the kind of day I was hoping for. I caught a nice bass, a couple little dinks. It's just hot. It's July. It's that time of year again. Hopefully next time around I can get something more. Hope you liked the video anyway. Catch you for the next one.